In this video, I'll show you how to get your MoneyGram transaction history. The first step is to open the MoneyGram app on your device and make sure you are signed in to your account. If you have any pending MoneyGram cash-in or cash-out transactions, you can often follow the direct link on the home screen to view the details of that specific transaction immediately. This is useful if you just sent money and want to confirm it's being processed. To check your full transaction history, go to the Home option on your screen in the mobile app. If you're using a web browser, you can open the Assets screen instead. Here, you'll see a list of all the assets associated with your account. Next, find the USDC asset issued by Center among your assets and tap on it. This will open options related to your transfers. Then, tap on Transfer History and select the MoneyGram option. Once you do that, you'll be able to view all your MoneyGram transactions, including both completed and pending ones. You can see details like the date of the transaction, the amount, the sender or recipient information, and the status of each transaction. This makes it really easy to keep track of all your past payments and check whether any transaction is still pending. Remember, checking your transaction history regularly is a good habit if you're sending or receiving money often. It helps you quickly identify any issues or discrepancies and ensures your transfers are safe and secure. By following these steps, you'll always have quick and easy access to your MoneyGram transaction history whenever you need it. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.